Okay, so this is the new word turn out to be. Turn out to be. Turn out to be means हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि वो तो ऐसा निकला. Turn out to be. हम इसको बोल रहे हैं. मैंने तो उसे बहुत ही ईमानदार समझा था, लेकिन वो तो बहुत ही बेईमान निकला. तो निकला वर्ड के लिए हम यहाँ पर turn out to be को बोलेंगे. It is an idiomatic expression that means it was discovered. Discovered का मतलब मुझे पता चला अभी कि वो ऐसा निकला. पहले मुझे नहीं पता था. That someone and something proved to be, मतलब अप्रूव हो गया है, वो ऐसा निकला. It is often used to reveal a surprise or an unexpected outcome. Outcome मतलब रिजल्ट. जब आपको पता चल गया कोई चीज़ अनएक्सपेक्टेड था, वो अब ओपन हो गया, रिवील हो गया है. इस कंडीशन के लिए हम टर्न आउट टू बी का यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे अब एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू कंफर्म करते हैं, जब भी हमें कोई चीज़ क्लियर नहीं होती. जैसे टेंसेस भी हमने एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू ही समझे हैं, और अगर अभी भी टेंसेस में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे बता सकते हैं. अब हमारा एग्जाम्पल क्या है? आई थॉट हिम टू बी नाइव. नाइव हमने सीखा है, बहुत ही सीधा साधा पर्सन, उसे हम नाइव कहते हैं. आई थॉट हिम टू बी नाइव बट ही टर्न आउट टू बी क्लेवर. बट वो तो बहुत ही चालाक निकला. हम लोग इस तरह के सेंटेंस अक्सर बोलते हैं. आई थॉट ही वॉज स्मार्ट बट ही टर्न्ड आउट टू बी फुलिश. टर्न्ड आउट मतलब अब ये खुलासा हुआ. टर्न्ड आउट का मतलब यहाँ पर खुलासा होना. बट ही टर्न्ड आउट टू बी फुलिश. नेक्स्ट, आई थॉट ही वॉज ऑनेस्ट बट ही टर्न आउट टू बी को ऐड करके उस पर्सन को निकला के लिए बताते हैं. आई थॉट ही वुड बी यूजफुल. अच्छा, इट वुड बी यूजफुल भी बोल सकते हैं. ऑल्सो वी कैन से इट वुड बी यूजफुल, कोई चीज़ के लिए जब हम इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं. मुझे लगा ये काम की होगी, लेकिन ये तो बिल्कुल बेकार निकली. कैसे बोलेंगे? ही वुड बी यूजफुल बट ही टर्न आउट टू बी, बट ही टर्न आउट टू बी यूजलेस. ही टर्न आउट टू बी. टर्न आउट टू बी मीन्स नाउ इट इज रिवील्ड. Okay, he turned out to be useless. I thought he was generous, but he turned out to be practical, or selfish, or self-centered. Okay. I thought he would be firm-minded, but he turned out to be a fickle-minded. हमने सीखा है firm-minded और fickle-minded, हम उसका यूज़ कर रहे हैं. मैंने सोचा था वो अच्छा होगा, but वो तो बुरा निकला. I thought he would be a great fan or good friend, but he turned out to be bad. Turned out to be.
Okay.
Yes, turn out मतलब anything revealed now. Previously I was not aware.
Yeah.
Previously I was not aware about this thing. Now I came to know he turned out to be bad. And it also we can use it for non-living thing. It turned out to be bad. It turned out to be worthless, like this. हमने सोचा था कि ये काम बहुत ही आसान होगा, लेकिन ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल निकला. We thought it would be an easy task, but it turned out to be difficult. मैंने सोचा था ये मूवी अच्छी होगी, बट वो तो बहुत ही बोरिंग निकली. आई थॉट इट वुड बी अ गुड मूवी बट इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अ बोरिंग मूवी. मैंने सोचा था वो एक अच्छा डिसीजन होगा, बट वो तो बहुत ही बुरा निकला. हाउ टू? इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी, बट इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी बैड.
But it turned out to be bad.
Turned out. Are you not getting the feeling of turned out? Something is revealing as you feel here while speaking it. So turned out something. So turned out means it is going to reveal. It is going to be open. So he turned out to be. It turned out to be bad. Now please add one examples from your side, if you understood then.
We can say illiterate.
Illiterate is negative actually. Yeah, we can use of course, but it is negative meaning. Like means if my mom is not well educated, I can say she is not well educated. She is illiterate, it is negative.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And मैंने सोचा था वो बहुत सस्ता होगा, लेकिन वो तो बहुत ही महंगा निकला. How to?
I thought it would be very cheaper. It would be cheap, but it turned out to be expensive.
Yeah, and so instead you use cheap, you can use affordable. Affordable. Yeah, easily okay, affordable also you can add. So it would be affordable or easily affordable, but it turned out to be quite expensive. बहुत ये तो महंगा निकला. Now you came to know about it. So now Kailash, please add one example from your side.
Yeah. I thought the students would be more intelligent and more focused on the studies. Now, but
nowadays it turned to be turn out to be not
laggard. Also you can use laggard for
lack of
losers.
okay.
laggard. मुझे लगा कि ये लोग
Okay.
कोऑपरेट करेंगे, सपोर्टिव होंगे, लेकिन ये सारे लोग तो बिल्कुल डैश निकले. उसके ऑपोजिट में क्या ऐड करेंगे? I thought they guys would be resilient, but they turned out to be what? Flexible, resilient. What should be the opposite of it? Resilient, supportive, cooperative, and flexible. What should be the opposite of it?
Unflexible.
Okay.
We can use
Fickle-minded.
Fickle-minded is something else. They don't have idea. Okay, they easily believe on someone. They are fickle-minded. But here, the people, cooperation. Here we are talking about the cooperation. I thought they would be cooperative. I thought they would be resilient or flexible. But they are fussy. Okay. So it was the use of turn out to be. अच्छा, हम किसी पर्सन को देख रहे हैं और हमसे कह रहे हैं we are while seeing someone we are saying like मैंने तो सोचा था कि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा नरम दिल का होगा, ये तो बड़ा ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड निकला, बड़ा ही रूड निकला. How would we say? हम किसी को देख करके बोल रहे हैं here while seeing someone we want to say I thought him to be generous but he turned out to be cruel. Okay, brutal.
What is the meaning?
Brutal means jungly.
What is the meaning of generous?
Generous मतलब उदार दिल का, kind hearted, ready to help. Also you can use indulgent person who easily involves in other matters to help someone. Always he is ready to involve other matters to help someone. I hope you have observed around you many person they easily involved in others matter in order to help them. They are indulgent person. So in our adjective parts, we will learn all the adjectives where we are not going to be out of word for any particular kind of person. Normally in Hindi we have a lot of words, but when it comes to English, we get out of word. So after adding adjective session, you are not going to be out of word adding any adjective about any person, means any personality. So I already taught to all of them. I don't know why they are confused. They are using sometimes means incorrect adjectives. Okay, nice. Now this is the next one, turn into. And now don't be confused between turned out or turn into. That's why I have noticed Suhail using turn into 2 to 3 times. This is now turn into. Turn into means change or transform into something else. Now the person was known for a long period. He had been known for the same person, but now he turned into. Okay, now he is, उसमें क्या हुआ था? उसमें reveal हुआ था. Turned out means it was revealed, now he just was like that. But here turn into. Okay, so means change or transform into someone else. For example, now it will clear by examples. The caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Okay, the old warehouse turned into the trendy restaurant. The old warehouse turned into a trendy restaurant. We were open-hearted, but now you have turned into, you were open-hearted, but now you have turned into a cunning person. Open-hearted means who cannot reveal anything. He is really so good. He is really so naive, an open-hearted person. Like normally we bubbly word used for girls and for boys open-hearted. Okay, and now you have turned into cunning person. You have started keeping secrets, it means. So his idea turned into a success business. His idea turned into a success business. This small town turned into a bustling city. Bustling city means crowded or noisy city. Bustling, busy city. So bustling city. The small town turned into a.
Sorry, ma'am, I would like to ask you something.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of real hearted?
Sorry.
What is the meaning of real hearted?
Real hearted. It means a person who is true to his words or who is real, not fake one.
Okay.
Yeah, real one. Your recipe turned into a delicious meal last night. Can you understand this sentence? Your recipe turned into a delicious meal last night. Suppose you told me any recipe, you shared any recipe with me, and now last night I wanted to cook something, then I used your recipe. So I used here, you know, last night your recipe turned into a delicious meal. I can use it here. Turned into. What made you turn into a cunning? What made you? What made you means for what reason you have turned into a cunning person? You were really so naive before. I know you for so long time, but what made you turn into a cunning person? Is it clear to you or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yeah, so you were honest when I met for the first time. What made you turn into a dishonest person? As time passed, he turned into a dedicated person. Initially, he was not responsible. He was irresponsible person. He was laggard. But as time passes, he turned into a dedicated person. I didn't have any idea you would turn into a selfish person. I don't have any idea. Would turn into a selfish person. Means मुझे नहीं पता था कि आप इतने selfish निकलोगे. आप इतने सेल्फिश हो जाओगे, निकलोगे नहीं. निकलो का मतलब हो जाएगा टर्न आउट टू बी. ओके, सो आई डेंट हैव एनी आइडिया यू विल टर्न इनटू अ सेल्फिश पर्सन. कि बड़े होकर कि इतने आप या फिर कुछ टाइम के बाद आप इतने बदल जाओगे. यू विल चेंज लाइक दिस. ओके, कंट्रोल हिम, कीप मॉनिटरिंग हिम, कीप एन आई ऑन हिम. These are three ways to say the same thing. Hey, control him, or keep monitoring him, or keep an eye on him, or else he will turn into a laggard. He will turn into a thief. He will turn into a any bad word you can use here. If you don't pay attention, he will turn into a thief. So it was turned into. I hope your concept is clear now. Please add one sentence from your side.
My dream turn into a reality.
Okay, turn into reality. Nice, good. And keep adding. Don't stop, please. Learn only one word, but means practice really well so that you don't forget it.
He turned into a selfish person.
Yes. And this is the next situation. It involves means इसमें बड़ा risk होता है. It involves a lot of risk. It involves a lot of pain. It can involve also, you can use, it can involve conflicts. Don't do this thing, please. It can involve conflicts. It involves a lot of hassle. Hassle means बहुत ही झंझट होता है. Problem. A lot of issue. Okay, so it involves a lot of issue or hassle. And this can be the cause of discord. It involves discord. Discord means if you hold a grudge inside, that is discord. And इसमें बड़ा ही टाइम, ये चीज़ बड़ी ही टाइम लेती है. कैसे बोलेंगे?
It involves a lot of time.
It involves it के साथ s या es आता है. It involves a lot of time. So it involves. Please add one example.
It involves a lot of time to do it complete.
Okay. Next, it requires. इसमें बहुत ही ये लगता है या ज़रूरत होती है. इसमें बड़े ही धैर्य की ज़रूरत होती है. It requires a lot of patience. It involves.
It requires a lot of.
It requires a lot of practice.
Yes, it requires a lot of practice. It requires a lot of money. It requires a lot of hard work. It requires good skill. So it requires or it involves.
Okay, it requires.
Yes. Can you add examples? So normally
It requires a lot of effort to get success.
It requires a proper schedule.
Yeah. It requires time management. It requires patience. What requires patience?
Success requires patience.
Okay. And let me inform you about tomorrow's topic, which we are going to discuss here, confidence. From where do we get our confidence? What are the sources of confidence? You have to write point by point and you'll have to elaborate a lot of points here. I will come you one by one if you have to add one point by yourself. And we will discuss whole time about the confidence. I can ask also the question. You can also prepare 4 to 5 questions related. What comes your mind? And you can ask to each other. Okay, so before you leave, I want you to remind, it will be our topic, tomorrow's topic, to discuss about confidence. And a lot of questions also you can prepare. Okay, what is the main source of confidence?
Okay.
And next one. So, बहुत हो गया. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. अगर आपको बोले enough is enough. Now I'm leaving. This is a normal. Also you can say I'm done now. I'm leaving. I'm done. It means like if you are done with convincing someone, with tolerating someone. So also you can use I'm done with convincing you, really I'm leaving now, you cannot recover. You can use किसी ने मोबाइल खराब कर दिया, someone put the mobile out of order. Someone put the mobile out of order. Don't put it out of order, इसे खराब मत करो. Don't put it out of order, इसे खराब मत करो. इस तरीके से हम बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, मैं तुम्हारे झूठ से तंग आ चुका हूँ. आई एम फेड अप विद योर लाइज. आई एम फेड अप विद योर tantrums. Tantrums, do you know tantrums?
Bahani. Tantrums.
No. Tantrums, don't you know really?
I'm fed up with your tantrums.
You can say excuses, but not exactly excuses. Tantrums. Tantrums means in Hindi word.
Activity.
Like you can say activity. Tantrums means नखरे
Your
दिखाना.
behavior.
Yeah, behavior. नखरे means the style you are showing. Most of the girls are popular to show tantrums. Like I'm not going to
Tantrums.
eat this. I don't
Tantrums.
like it. I don't
Okay.
want to go there. I cannot tolerate this thing. A lot of conditions they have. These are tantrums, huh?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, these are tantrums. I've seen like boys showing tantrums, but girls are quite popular for these. I'm fed up with your tantrums. नहीं है with me around. हम अगर ये सिचुएशन पर आते, if we came this situation, if we encountered, I'm sure you couldn't handle this. So with me around. Okay, मेरे रहते हुए, मेरे होते हुए तुम्हें डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. With me around, you don't need to be scared. With me around, you don't need to be afraid. Please add one example so that you could add it in your mind. With me around. Okay,
Which one, ma'am?
I can use here with me around. You don't need to hire any other trainer to train you. You don't need to follow any other classes with me around. With me around means my being here.
With me around, yeah. With me around, you don't need to nervous.
Yes, you know.
To be nervous.
Yes, right. Kalish, you know what is the meaning of with me around? With me around means by the time I'm with you. By the time I'm with you, you don't need to be scared. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I got.
So we
Okay,
use in
ma'am.
different way. With me around, you don't need to be scared. So with me around, you don't need to hire any other trainer. With me around, you don't need to follow any other classes. Okay, please add one example.
Okay.
Please.
With me around.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
With me around, nobody can touch you.
Okay.
With me around, you don't need to be. You don't need to be worried about the examination.
Yeah, right. Okay. With me around. Okay. With me around, how could you ask someone else to help you? Okay. एक ना एक दिन ये तो होना ही था. Sooner or later it was bound to happen. Sooner or later it was bound to happen. Bound to happen. You were bound to fall because you were sitting in the corner of the seat. So you were bound to fall. Right? Okay. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. ये तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. And
Bound to be happen.
yeah, means why you
Bound
were
to.
bent on doing this thing, but if you didn't recover, if you didn't be aware, I told you many times to be aware, but you didn't recover, so it was bound to happen. Now it happened. I have no regrets about what I did. Okay, मुझे अपने किए का बिल्कुल पछतावा नहीं. I have no regret about what I did. He has regret about how he misbehaved with him. Regret about. What we have to notice? Regret about. I don't have regret about. So have you ever done something about which you feel regret? Please tell me if you have done anything. Things and share your any moment.
I have no regret when I got failed in the examination.
Okay. Haven't you done anything about?
I have no regrets about what I said.
No, I'm asking you to share your experience. Haven't you done anything about you feel regret?
Related, I have no regrets about.
Okay.
I have no regret about what I said. I have no regret about what I didn't go there. When I didn't go there.
Yeah, the argumented people, they regret about what he done it. done
Yeah,
what
really.
he
Short-tempered
what
person.
he made mistakes
Yeah,
or anything.
short-tempered person and argumentative kind of person. They always regret after they say anything too and overreact. Yes. Okay. And Vikas, are
You
you there?
even don't have regret. What have you done?
Yeah. Don't you? Okay. Okay. You don't have even regret what you have done about what you have done. Okay. So now next one, doing that. Doing that ऐसा करके. By doing that or also doing that you can use. So by doing that you can impress him. By doing that. By doing that you can practice English. By doing that, but don't overdo it. Overdo. Now overdo is the word which we can use. Overdo. Okay. Doing that you can.
Same word, ma'am.
Sorry?
Doing that or overdo, same word.
No. They are not same. You can add this. Overdo means don't excessively do this thing. So by doing that you can impress him. By doing that you can learn a lot of vocabulary. By doing that you can revise all this stuff. By doing that you can have your practice. By doing that, or doing that you have welcomed the disaster. You have welcomed the disaster means you did something wrong and now the coming things or situation is going to be worst for you. So it means you have welcomed the disaster. Did you get it? Now your condition is going to be worse just because of you. So you invited the calamity. You invited something very bad. So doing that you have welcomed the disaster.
Okay.
Okay. And try to do this, but
By
don't
doing cutting the
overdo this.
trees,
Hmm.
you have welcomed the disasters.
Yes, we are welcoming the disaster while cutting the tree. Okay.
Yeah.
So एंडेंजर, जान खतरे में डालना. एंडेंजर. ओके. तुमने सिर्फ अपनी जान खतरे में नहीं डाली बल्कि मेरी भी डाल दी. सो यू didn't just endanger your life but mine as well. You didn't just endanger in your life but mine as well. Endanger your life. Why are you endangering your life? Just because of me. Just because of me. Endanger your life it means. Okay. Please make one sentence.
You endanger my life while doing this work.
Okay. He endangered his life just because of me. Have you ever endangered your life because of others?
Ma'am, endanger.
Yes, Kalish.
You didn't just
Endanger means.
Endanger means if you take risk. If you take risk, for your life, for someone
Take
else.
risks. Okay.
If you keep your life in danger, that is endanger. Don't endanger yourself just because of me. Okay, that is endanger.
Okay.
Endanger is the word which covers
You
the
have
whole
endangered our
meaning.
life by having alcohol.
Yes, we endanger our life by taking alcohol. We endanger our life, Kalisha. Endanger is the one
Yeah,
word
okay.
which means we are taking a lot of risk and we are keeping our life in danger. So we endanger our life by taking alcohol. That's really good. And do you have
Okay,
any?
if you have time, ma'am, can I mention the sentence?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you didn't just endanger your life and my life.
Yeah, my
while
life as well.
while not driving safely.
Okay.
Yeah, rush driving endanger to our life.
Yes, really. What will be the consequence of your action? Consequence of your action. I hope it is clear. Bad consequence also you can use, but consequence you can use. And we also have the option to use fruit. Fruit. Fruit will be the same word as we eat in, like if we eat fruit, that is the fruit. The consequence will be very bad of what you did. So consequence, outcome. Outcome is advanced word, and as a result of this also we can use. So consequence. Is it clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Okay. Do you even know what will be the outcome of your action? Outcome. Do you even know? तुम्हें
Okay.
पता भी है? तुम्हें पता भी है? Do you even know? Okay. Do you even know what
Okay.
will be the outcome of your action? Outcome. Which one you
We
like?
can say the business. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we can say the business not going well. So, what will be the consequences of our action for improve the business?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What will be the result? What will be the outcome? Consequence mainly we use in that context if we focus on someone who is doing something bad. Do you know what will be the consequence of it?
Okay.
Okay, consequent here it means we are giving the reminder without adding bad consequence. We are adding the feeling of bad consequence. Also, you can use your bad consequence. You'll have to see the bad
Okay.
consequences of your action. You'll have to bear the
Okay.
bad consequence. Also, you can simply use consequence. It will add the meaning, no problem, without adding it. I hope it is
Okay.
clear. Next
Can
one.
you give the couple of example for that?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, please add. By yourself, I will correct you.
Consequences.
झूठ बोलने का परिणाम हमेशा गलत होता है. कैसे बोलेंगे? झूठ बोलने का परिणाम
The
हमेशा गलत
consequence
होता है.
of the consequence of telling lie will be hazardous.
Okay, the consequence of lying, telling a lie it is okay, also lying you can add, so consequence of lying can be very bad, can be. Okay, so the I've heard somewhere like the fruit of labor is always sweet. Yes, the fruit of labor is always sweet. So here I used fruit. Fruit is that fruit like normally fruit, so we can use also fruit for outcome. The fruit of labor is always sweet. Fruit means it is positive. Consequence, it is in negative sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, have you ever noticed what will be the consequence what you are doing? What will be the consequence what you are doing? Okay, and
Okay. Can I mention one? Can I mention one sentence?
yeah, please.
You will have two consequences about this activity.
Okay, irrespective of consequences, he helped me. Consequences.
Yeah, irrespective of consequences, he did what he wanted.
Can you understand? Can you guess the meaning of it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
यानी मतलब
Irrespective of consequences, he helped
परिणाम
me.
जानने के बावजूद उसने उसकी मदद की.
या परिणाम की परवाह किए बगैर without taking means without thinking of the consequences he helped me. Irrespective of means, Kalish, please notice, irrespective of consequences he helped me means what is going to be the consequence he didn't care about it and he helped me. Without thinking of the consequences he helped me. Irrespective of consequences he came to meet me. Irrespective of consequences he shared his notes with me. So that is irrespective of consequences.